Hello guy, if you have too many value and you want to calculate, calculator tab will do it easily. Let's start to calculate. For example, we are going to calculate 25 plus 60 plus 100 plus 88 plus 369 plus 458 plus 70 plus 88 and so on. Calculator tab automatically sum up each value you enter. Okay, let's click on the equal sign. You see that all the value have been sum up, and if you want to give some information of each value, you can do it easily here. So let's click on the all clear. I have done some calculation before and I have copied it on the clipboard. Let's paste it. Okay, I bought a razor from a shop amounting Rs 11. Then I bought a notebook amounting Rs 14. Then a novel book of Rs 88. Then 12-volt battery, baby toy car, bread 6 number, each on Rs 10 rupees. Then chocolate, and also I received discount of Rs 30. So how actually I add this information? So let's start and redo it. Okay, 11 plus 14 plus 88 plus 363 plus 457 plus 60 plus 55 and then discount. Okay, the first one was razor. So to write information, just click on the ABC button on the black bar here. A keyboard will appear on the screen. Not write razor. Then add another information, which is notebook amounting 14, and then add book, which is actually a novel book, but I write a simple name book. Then battery 12-volt, then baby toy car, bread chocolate chocolate and then discount. So all done. You can also calculate too many calculation on the same page as I done here. Both the calculation are the same but at different places. Hope you have liked this video. If you like this, then click on the like button and also subscribe. Thank you.